everyone, today I'm going to show you how to decorate and bling up a bra top, a bikini top. It's as easy and simple as taking a sequin and securing it with a bead, and when you know how to do this, you can create any design that you wish. When sequencing the bra, you can start there, you can work along the side, haphazardly around the bra. I'm going to show you how to do this, and then you're going to formulate your own way of working. You're going to push the needle through the fabric, and then to secure it, you're going to go one more time doing the same thing. You're going to take a sequin. You can either use that side or the other side. You're going to put the needle through the hole of the sequin. You're going to push it down, place it where you want to sew it. You're going to take the bead. I'm taking a blue one. Make sure that the needle fits the hole of the bead. You're now going to go through the hole of the sequin, and you're going to come out that side, or that side. Pull it tight so it's secure on the fabric. You can go all the way through the fabric if you want to, and then you're going to grab another sequin. You're going to place it down, take the bead, secure it to where you want it to be, stick the needle through the hole of the sequin and pull it through and secure it nicely. Now take the sequin and you're going to pull it through again. Take the bead to secure it and then place the needle through the hole of the sequin wherever you want to place it on the fabric and pull it through. And you continue doing this in any direction just to cover the entire area of the bra. We're now going to just zoom in so you can see it closer. Always make sure you go through the whole of the sequin, and then you secure it with the bead, and you're just going to cover the entire area. When you finish off, you do like you started, double through it, and then just pull it into a knot. You can do another knot if you want to, and then just cut it off. I encourage my dance students to bead their own bras, and in doing so they learn a new skill. For the little ones, you can buy a bikini top, or you can work with stretchy fabric, double it, make it into two triangles, attach the top and the side with either fabric, ribbon, or even shoelaces, and then you're going to sequence and bead the entire area of the top like shown in this photograph. For the little ones, I put it close together in the beginning, then as they grow you move it along, and then the only area you need to sequence and bead is that center area as they grow. It's very easy and simple to do. like that, so click the like button. If you want to see more about being creative, then click that subscribe button.